Hello friends, here's a new kind of recipe for success. It's a recipe for the soul.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef Dr. Margie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
First, add a cup each of the following: love, perseverance, integrity, and sacrifice. Next, add a tablespoon of creativity and a tablespoon of risk-taking. A pinch of mustard seed for faith. First, we'll add water as necessary for consistency. Knead the love, perseverance, integrity, and sacrifice together to make a dough. Set aside to let the dough rise. Next, we preheat the oven of our hearts to 98.6 degrees. Too hot or too cold will spoil the recipe. Next, you sprinkle the risen dough with creativity and risk-taking and place in the oven to bake. Keep an eye on the dough and remove it from the oven when it is lightly brown and the aroma fills the air. Voila, your recipe for success. Change it up by adding other sprinklings such as joy, passion, customer satisfaction, etc. to add spice to your success, to your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit, to your health and wealth.